Hi and welcome to our kitchen at Govinda Valley. Today I'm going to show you how to make special thyme soup. It's called special thyme because of a generous amount of fresh thyme herb in it. Now, to be honest, it's a very simple soup that barely qualifies to be called a recipe, but too many people have asked how to make it, so now we have a recipe for it. Making it is very simple. Here's what you're going to need. I'm making enough for 4 to 6 people, so I'm using 500 grams of potato and sweet potato, and then I'm using 500 grams of lighter vegetables. So I've got cauliflower and zucchini. Then we've got salt, pepper, a little bit of coconut cream, lots of fresh thyme, and our secret ingredient is a little bit of curry powder. Not enough to make it taste at all curry-like, but it's going to give a beautiful stocky influence to the soup. Now, to start the soup off, I'm going to put everything into the pot except for our coconut cream and fresh thyme. Everything's going in along with 5 cups of water. Then I'm going to leave it for a minimum of 20 minutes. If you can give this 45 minutes, you'll end up with the most amazing soft texture of vegetables. It'll be meltingly soft and you don't even need to blend it. This has been cooking now for 45 minutes and you can see that the veggies are beautifully soft. Now, what you want to see is that the potatoes especially start to crumble at the edges. Now I'm just going to finish it off by squashing the veggies with a spoon and giving it a little whisk. And that's going to break up the veggies and make a semi-smooth consistency without using a machine. And the thyme needs to cook just for the last 5 minutes. Herbs are delicate, so the way to get the most flavor out of them is to add them just at the end of cooking. So I'm going to leave that in there to cook for the last 5 minutes. Oh my God, smells amazing. And we'll come back to it. The coconut cream goes in right at the end. And that is just gonna make it luscious. And that makes it ready to serve. And here we have our finished bowl of soup. And just look at that beautiful texture from the veggies that we broke up by hand. It's just luscious. Let's see how it is. Now that is a comforting soup.